Hello friends! The financial markets beckon with opportunity. Every day, millions of traders around the world open positions in an effort to capitalize on fluctuations. But what is behind this endeavor? Is it just luck, analysis, and strategy? On the way to success, one can encounter not only volatility and market risks, but also, unfortunately, unscrupulous practices of brokers. With the number of market participants constantly growing, there are those who use dishonest practices, mislead clients, manipulate trades, or hide the real trading conditions. Such situations undermine trust in the industry and complicate the path to client success. It's Strifor, and in today's video, we will talk about how to avoid falling into the trap and choose a broker that really works in your best interest. And before you start watching, we recommend subscribing to our channel and turning on notifications so you don't miss other interesting videos. So the key criterion for choosing a broker and the main topic of today's video is the concept of fair dealing. But what does it mean in practice? The principles of fair dealing are the basis for a long-term and honest relationship between a broker and a client. And now we will analyze them in detail. Honesty is the first and basic principle. What does honesty imply? First of all, it is the absence of falsifications and manipulations. For example, dishonest brokers can distort quotes or change the execution of orders in their favor. An honest broker has no such practices. You get access to real market conditions. It is important that each deal is executed at the stated price and the trading conditions are transparent. Honesty also applies to pricing. No hidden commissions should take the client by surprise. The next principle is transparency. This is full and honest informing of the client. Many traders have encountered a situation where brokers do not fully disclose all conditions or risks. For example, they hide possible costs or real spreads. An honest broker always provides full information about both opportunities and risks. The client should know under what conditions they are working and what tools are available to them. Transparency also includes reporting. The client should be able to track their trades and account status in real time. The third principle is reliability. This is the broker's ability to fulfill its obligations to the client. Clients want to be sure that their orders will be executed quickly and accurately without delays and failures, that funds on the account are protected, and withdrawal will be made within the specified time frame. Many unscrupulous brokers violate these rules. They delay withdrawal, manipulate the terms of execution of transactions, or do not fulfill their obligations at all. Honest dealing assumes that the broker will maintain its technical capabilities at a high level, as well as follow its obligations to the client. So how do you find a broker that truly follows these principles? It is important to realize that not all companies are willing to follow these standards, but there are brokers who make fair dealing their main priority. Strifor not only declares honest principles of work, but also confirms them in practice. First, the company has an official license from Mauritius, which means that it complies with international standards and is controlled by regulatory authorities. This is an important guarantee for clients who can be sure that the broker acts within the legal framework. Strifor's transparency is reinforced by its cooperation with the Financial Commission. This is an independent organization that checks brokers for compliance with standards and insures clients for up to €20,000. If disputes arise, the Commission acts as an arbitrator, ensuring that the client's interests are protected. In addition, Strifor publishes monthly reports on transactions and payments, which allows each client to see exactly how the broker works and make sure that the conditions are transparent. So, fair dealing is three simple but important principles: honesty, transparency, and reliability. By adhering to them, the broker proves that he is ready to work in the interests of the client and to be responsible for his actions. By choosing a broker that adheres to these principles, you not only protect yourself from the risks of unscrupulous practices, but also create a foundation for successful trading. Strifor is a prime example of a broker that follows these principles. We don't just talk about honesty, we embody it in every step of our interaction with our clients. Choose Strifor and trade with confidence, because we always pay.